So yeah, I am taking the car over to Andy at AC Alloys, and I'm also having the calipers done as well, guys. So he does a package, like a wheel and caliper package. Jeez, look at the Golf. It's gonna get its master changed today. Just parked on the back of Andy's place. Yeah, the AC Alloys. Yeah, let's see what it's gonna look like, guys. You know, right, I'm gonna have a look, guys, eh? Andy's just putting a light down, obviously from the front of the car. I can't really see anything, so I'm gonna go around. That looks nasty, that. Bloody hell. Mate. Nice one, buddy. Oh my god. What's up, guys? Hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to another video, hopefully a more exciting video this time. Something that'll probably make the Golf look better, which is the wheels, if you've seen the thumbnail. So yeah, I am taking the car over to Andy at AC Alloys. He's local to me as well, not too far away. He's only up in Denton. If you live in Manchester area, he's like not too far away. So Andy's good at what he does, you know what I mean? I've seen his work on like Jesse's videos and stuff. So yeah, that's why I picked, you know, him to do the wheels. And obviously I had a chat with him. What's nice with him, I had a chat, and because I was on my own thought process of what color I wanted and what my plan was with the car. So he kind of advised me on what colors to go with, and you know, what might clash and what might not clash and stuff like that. So that was a handy tip, you know what I mean? So yeah, that will be the plan of action tomorrow, because I've actually cleaned the car today. I don't want to take a dirty car with dirty wheels with brake dust all over them, you know what I mean? And I'm also having the calipers done as well, guys. So he does a package, like a wheel and caliper package. So that's better for me, because I can actually, you know, choose something that works together rather than just doing the wheels and thinking, oh my god, the calipers look horrible, you know what I mean, because they're green at the moment. So yeah, I'm blabbering on, but anyway, guys, that is the gist of stuff. I will be taking the car over to him tomorrow, which I think is going to be raining, so I don't know if I'm actually going to film much, but I will, you know, go through stuff with you guys and show you what it looks like in the end. I've also bought a new VW sign, which I've sanded down, which I'm gonna ask Andy to paint the same color as the wheels, so it kind of matches, you know what I mean? I won't be going gold, yeah, so I did mention that I might be going gold. I'm not going gold. I'm actually thinking outside the box with this one, or rather, let's say Andy's kind of made me think out of the box. So yeah, that will be the color that's going on here. So hopefully it all looks nice, guys, you know, let's hope it looks nice. So yeah, as you can see, it is gleaming nice. I've changed a few things which I've not really mentioned, which I'll mention now. I've taken off the tin stickers that were on the rear quarters, because my springs are tin. So, but yeah, I got rid of them because the whole theme is changing. As I mentioned, wheels are nice and tidy clean. As you can see, no brake dust anywhere. Obviously, I couldn't really get into there, yeah, but they're not that bad anyway, if you can see. They're not as bad as they normally are. New sticker on the rear quarters, both sides, just to kind of, you know, make the Golf look like a YouTube car, if you want to put it that way. So yeah, that'll be the plan tomorrow. Take it over to him and obviously get that done. So yeah, I'll probably catch up with you guys tomorrow when I'm actually on my way there. Jeez, look at the Golf. It's gonna get its master changed today. Just parked on the back of Andy's place. Yeah, the AC Alloys. Yeah, let's see what it's gonna look like, guys. You know, let's see what it's gonna look like. Hopefully a new, fresh look when we're done. Fingers crossed. I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful anyway. Catch up with you when it's done, guys.
Is this your first reactions?
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna have a look, guys, eh? Andy's just putting a light down, obviously from the front of the car. I can't really see anything, so I'm gonna go around. Oh, That looks nasty, that. Bloody hell. My nice one, buddy. Oh my god. Look at the color. Bloody hell. I think that was a good choice, eh?
So you got caliper special for you as well.
Yeah, because you. Oh, right. They're like a. What is it?
Holographic, yeah.
Yeah. Ah, mate, honestly, I need to change the wheel nuts now. They look rubbish, them ones, don't they? Hey, the Golf looks extra special. Bloody hell. Anyway, there we have it, guys. There you have the new revised stealth looking Golf. Yeah, I prefer the stealth look at the moment, because if you notice, the front end's all gone black. So same with the wheels, calipers, it's all kind of hidden away, you know what I mean? Doesn't show how much of a beast it really is, if you want to put it that way. But yeah, a massive thank you to Andy at AC Alloys. You know, you guys go and follow him, go check him out. I'll put all his details at the bottom in the description below and stuff, and you can, you know, hit him up if you need a refurb or whatever, caliper color change or whatever. He's really good at what he does, and as I've mentioned in the beginning, very helpful, sound guy, nice to talk to, you know what I mean, and funny as well, you know. So go check him out anyway, and I should be back with another video soon with a couple of small little changes again. But until then, guys, keep well, keep safe, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers, bye.